Hello friends, welcome to my channel Yaji Info Hub, where I showcase videos which add some values to my viewers. For all Mac users out there, if you are interested in making your mouse pointer and mouse click effects more attractive to grab the attention of your viewers during live demos, presentation, and professional screencasts, then here is the solution for this. Please go to the App Store and install an app called Presentation Assistant. You have to pay a one-time subscription which does not cost much. It costs approximately around 299 rupees and it's worth it. Currently I am using this app and will demonstrate some of the mouse pointer effects and mouse click effects in this video using this app. Currently you can see here the app. I have downloaded this app, Presentation Assistant, and here on the top you can see the icon in the menu bar. Here when I click this icon you can see the different options shown here. You can disable this Presentation Assistant, or you can activate or deactivate your mouse pointer or your mouse clicks, and you can also hide the desktop icons here. Then coming to the preferences, here you can see the different options given for preferences. One is to start at login. You can either toggle this if you want. Hide preferences window on startup as well. These two options I have currently not toggled in. You may toggle it if you want it. Then the next is the show dock icon, the show menu bar icon, and the hide desktop icons, which I have toggled and activated all the three of them. So coming to the options and settings in the mouse pointer, you can create a shortcut for this. I have currently created option 1 shortcut for this, and then this is for the mouse pointer. And then you can have, currently these are the three different types you can have. One is the ring type, which I am currently using. The other one is the spotlight, where you can show certain portion of your screen to your viewers. And then you have the disk option, which is used by many of the presenters currently. I'm going back to the first option of ring, and you can see it has changed back to this. The mouse pointer has changed back to this. Then I can also vary the size of this pointer. You can see I can vary the size by scrolling this up and down. And then you have the opacity option. This also I can vary, and then the thickness as well I can do this adjustments. And also coming to the color of my mouse pointer, I have different options here. You can see the color wheel, and then you have the gradient scale color, you can see here, and this you can use and adjust your brightness accordingly. Then you have the color palettes, and you can choose the different colors of your mouse pointer. Currently I am using the green. If you want, I can change it to purple, and see this is how it changes here. I will go back once again to green. Then you can see the other options here as well. And also you have this pencil color option. You can also select any one of this if you want to. And then I will now show you the next option, which is the mouse click. And here you can again create a shortcut and use. I'm using a shortcut option M for this, and it is enabled currently. I can also vary the size of my mouse click. You can see this here when I'm wearing it, how it changes. And then the opacity of the mouse click. And also I have enabled the magnification here. So this is present. This can be used to show some portions of your screen with magnification. And then also I have the option here to show the colors for my left click and the right click. Currently I have set it to red for the left click, and then I have set it to purple for the right click. And these are some of the features which I have shown to you. I hope you like this video. That's it from my side. Thanks for watching. Please do like this video and do subscribe my channel. Hope this video was useful and added some value for you, and see you soon. Bye.